content creators who need hands-free first-person footage without rigging up a gimbal, who want POV shots of mountains, trails, and scenery without stopping to set up a shot, who want to capture road trips or dash cam style footage without mounting a separate camera. A POV shooter or someone who's tired of holding a phone up every single time something worth filming happens. The next gadget is going to change how you capture your life. Picture this. You are driving down the highway and the sunset lights up the whole sky. You are hiking a trail and a deer steps out 10 feet away. You are at the beach reeling in a catch. In every one of those moments, by the time you grab your phone, unlock it, open the camera app, the moment's gone. What if you could just look at it and capture it? No tripod, no selfie stick, no one even knowing you are recording. That's exactly what today's video is about. Stick around because at the end I'm dropping a discount code that will save you real money on this thing. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and testing the OhO Sunshine Edge Pro, their newest smart glasses packing a 4K camera, open-ear Bluetooth audio and real-time AI translation in one lightweight frame. I will walk you through everything in the box, show you exactly how to set it up step by step, and at the end I'll show you real footage I captured while driving and out in the field, so you can judge the quality for yourself. If you are new here, hit subscribe. I break down tech like this every week so you don't waste money on gadgets that don't deliver. Before we open the box, let's talk about who this is built for. Content creators, travelers and hikers, drivers who want to capture road trips or dash cam style footage without mounting a separate camera, anglers and beachgoers who want to record a catch or a moment on the water without risking a phone near the surf, anyone who just want to film discreetly. No bulky camera, no obvious rig, just a normal looking pair of glasses. If any of that sounds like you, keep watching. This thing is built exactly for that use case. Alright, let's open the box. Here's the retail packaging for the newly launched OhO Sunshine Edge Pro, their 4K smart AI glasses with built-in translation. Before I go through every feature and show you how to use them, I will drop a special discount code and the purchase link at the end of this video. Using it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Popping the box open, we have got a premium zippered hard case for safe storage and travel. Let's see what's inside in the box. A USB-C charging and data cable, and unlike most gadget cables that are frustratingly short, this one's actually long enough to be usable at a desk. A USB-C to USB-A OTG adapter so you can plug the glasses directly into your phone for fast file transfer. A quick start card with a QR code for the OhO translation app. A full instruction manual, worth a quick read before your first use, since it covers every setting on these glasses. A spare set of lenses. The Edge Pro actually ships with photochromic lenses that darken automatically in sunlight and clear up indoors, so you get one pair that adapts instead of needing to swap. A microfiber cleaning cloth with OhO Sunshine branding. The Edge Pro glasses themselves wrapped in a protective pouch. Now let's talk about the build. This is a TR90 frame. That's the same flexible, lightweight polymer used in a lot of premium eyewear. Paired with dark lenses rated UV 400 for full UV protection. And the whole thing meets the ANSI Z87.1 safety standard at just 41.5 grams. It's genuinely lightweight. A lot of smart glasses on the market feel bulky or cheap, but this one is styled to actually pass as a normal pair of sunglasses. Speakers, buttons, ports and the camera lens are all built cleanly into the frame. Nothing feels like an afterthought. Before we get into setup, let's look at a few cinematic shots of the glasses themselves so you can see the design up close. Now let's get these paired and set up. Step 1. Bluetooth pairing. On the bottom of the right arm, you will find two buttons. One controls photo and video capture. The other is the Bluetooth pairing button. Press and hold the Bluetooth button for 2 to 3 seconds until you see the blue LED blinking. That means it's in pairing mode. Now open Bluetooth settings on your phone and OhO Sunshine will show up in the device list. Tap it and it connects instantly. No pin, no confirmation code. Once connected, you get full Bluetooth 5.3 audio, music, calls and voice assistant access, all through the open ear speakers. And because these are open ear, you are not blocking outside sound like traditional earbuds. You stay aware of your surroundings while still hearing your audio clearly.
I've had so many viewers ask me for an app that's easy to install, has a clean interface, supports Spanish, Portuguese and English, and works smoothly on compatible devices. Today I'll show you exactly how to install it using
Let's test a call using the built-in microphone and voice command.
Call Samir.
Step 2. Transferring footage to a laptop or PC. Next, let's pull footage of the glasses. You will need the USB-C cable included in the box. Open the bottom of the right arm. Under a small rubber flap, you will find the USB-C port. Pop that open. With the fingernail, plug in the cable and connect the other end to your laptop. Your computer will instantly recognize the glasses as a storage device and show two folders. DCIM, containing your actual photos and videos, a configuration file. I will cover this in the next step, so don't touch it yet. Inside DCIM, you will find two subfolders, movie and photo, holding your captured 4K videos and stills separately. Worth nothing on storage, the Edge Pro ships in 64GB, 128GB and 256GB versions, all recording built in. No memory card required. At 1080p, that translates to roughly 13.5 hours on 64GB, 27 hours on 128GB and 54 hours on 256GB of footage. And there's no forced 3 to 5 minute recording limit like a lot of competing camera glasses. It records until you stop it or the battery runs out. It even supports recording while charging, so you are never stuck waiting on a battery mid-shoot. Step 3. The configuration file. This config file is actually your control panel. Since there is no screen on the glasses themselves, this text file is how you adjust settings. Open it in Notepad or any text editor and you can change the date and time, toggle the on-screen watermark, set video or photo resolution up to 4K at 30 fps, format the internal storage, turn vibration feedback on or off, enable or disable audio recording. Just switch the relevant value to Y for on or N for off. Save the file and you are done. No app required for these core settings. Setting up real-time translation. Now for one of the standout features, the built-in AI translation supporting 165 languages for two-way conversation. There is a card in the box with the QR code for the OhO app. You can scan it or search OhO directly in the App Store or Google Play. Download and install it. Then open the app and tap Add Device. With Bluetooth on, OhO Sunshine will appear in the device list. Select it to connect. Inside the app, you will see 6 translation modes. I will demo the phone plus glasses mode. You select the language you are speaking and the language you want translated. Let's say I speak a sentence in German and want it translated to English. The app displays the translated text on screen and plays the translated audio back through the glasses in real time. Now I'll show you the example. Ich habe Hunger.
I'm hungry.
Ich bin müde.
I'm tired.
Ich trinke Wasser.
I'm drinking water.
This is genuinely useful for travel, business calls, or just talking to someone who doesn't share your language. Completely hands-free. If translation glasses are something you would actually use while traveling, I'll have the link below. Before I show you the actual video, I will first show you how to start the recording. Press the power button once. The red indicator light on the arm panel will begin flashing, indicating recording is in progress. While recording video, press the power button once. The red indicator will flash once, indicating a successful switch to photo mode. Press once to take a photo. Double press the power button to resume video recording. Press and hold the power button to turn off. During charging, the battery indicator will remain solid red. Now let's get to the part you are probably here for, actual footage. I took the Edge Pro out for a drive and walked through the park to put the 4K 30fps camera through a real test. Because the lens sits centered between your eyes instead of off to one side, what you are about to see is genuinely first person. This is exactly what I was looking at the moment. No awkward angle, no missed framing. Notice the audio is synced. There is a built-in microphone capturing sound as you shoot, so you are not stuck adding audio in post. So here's the bottom line on the OhO Sunshine Edge Pro. 4K 30fps hands-free video from a true first-person angle, 165 language real-time translation, two-way, Bluetooth 5.3 open-ear audio for calls and music, TR90 frame, UV 400 photochromic lenses, ANSI Z87.1 rated and sweat rain resistant. Storage options from 64GB up to 256GB. No memory card needed. No recording time limit and it can record while charging. If you are a creator, a traveler or just someone who wants to capture life without holding a phone up every 5 minutes, this is worth a look. If you want to grab a pair, my discount code is on screen right now and the link is in the description below. That helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.